In this video I'll explain the map sketching feature of Mergin Maps. Map sketches can be used to draw something on the map, in addition to the regular field collection of features. Map sketching needs to be enabled in QGIS when preparing your Mergin Maps project. Go to Project, Properties. There go to the Mergin Maps tab and check the Enable Map Sketching option. Scroll all the way down to find it. Check the box. Here you can set 7 preset colors that will also be visible in the mobile app. Click OK to save the changes. You will see a new layer in the Layers panel with the name Map Sketches. This is a geo package that will be added to the project and synchronized to the cloud. Let's synchronize. Now let's see how it looks like in the Mergin Maps app. In Mergin Maps, zoom into the area where you want to sketch. Then tap the Map Sketching button. The sketch bar appears where you can choose the color. There's also an eraser. I'll choose here blue. You can then draw your sketch on the map. You can sketch multiple objects. If you make a mistake, you can use the Undo button. You can also select another color and draw another object. The objects will be stored separately. If you're not happy with the object, you can use the eraser. When you're done, close the bar and synchronize the project. Back in QGIS, use the Synchronize button, and there you see the changes in the Map Sketches geo package. These are now synchronized. I can see the sketch in the map canvas. And if I open the attribute table of map sketches, then I see that it has some attributes like the color of the sketch, the author and the creation date. So in this video you've learned how to do map sketching in Mergin Maps.